MASLOC CEO Mahama Sedina Tamakloe ya dia sebi ni case a yedi ne dada sebi ye twen mami so obeba no abeserve ne sentence a ye de ama no one yete se US for extradite no amana ba be pie mu Ghana ha masabre die straight to Nsawam o twa ne yes na ye de sentence no o twa ewo Nsawam anya asem ketwa ene eda sorry ya ye kire mu a chese ne counsel no wo mo adi nsem na chia ma nsem na kopie mu ewo court of appeal watena nsem no so na de omo de beto emonten so ne de abusia ese wani si ye kan ni na chese on your screens no Sedinam Tamakloe acquitted and discharged, set to be released from jail. Intina chese mami ya yenyina yenim se wo twa days wo prison ye binum kra de chichire omore se se ya che chema wuntimi da jail na Sedina nso wo mu am de e be fa ne se NDC 1 MPP 1 ene be chichire ye re no ene e chire mu a court discharge no awo mu chem so mbetimi ayi no e de free jail san se o mu chire mu asem wo matena se aka ama mami ya pena say ebe na ene ya extradite ne de naba no omuche ma said the high court etna nsem no so no wo mu entimi improve evidence no beyond reasonable doubt into mu ne say evidence bia papa bia concrete evidence bia ni wa na etia mami we anti na wo say ye sentence no to imprisonment into de ya kwete no na ya discharge ne na ne lawyer wo gine mu ede ama no Enoch Esquire wa ba be kasa e de afa ensem ne ho a ze otimu so mani age papa wo appeal court decision a wo de abatudwa se maame no yenjai na sem no emu yenkotie lawyer Enoch ensem a wo de atomonten so ye ba ye beto aso.
Firstly, let me seize the opportunity to thank my lords for, in fact, for agreeing with us that in fact, for agreeing with our submissions. So we thank my lords for use of the judgment, and then we can peruse it, and then we can make comments subsequently. But I am a happy person, and I believe my client is also will also be happy.
Essentially, what was
I would say in terms of strategy, okay, we had come essentially on 3 main grounds. On the fact that the charge sheet itself was defective, and then secondly that in fact there was no prima facie proper prima facie determination against our client, and then of course we also attacked the judgment itself. So these were the grounds, but as you may have already heard, in fact the court only read their conclusion, and then they only dwelt on the first leg of our submission, which was the defective charge sheet.
As you speak, what's the state of your client? How is she doing now?
Well, I'm yet to speak to her, but I mean, as we all know, she's in Nsawam, and I'm sure she may have already heard the news, so I'm sure she'll be happy. Yeah.
All right.
Thank you. What is that you seek to take? Perhaps some civil action against the state?
Well, I don't have such instructions now, but I'm going to sit with my client, and then on the basis of the judgment, we'll see what steps we can take, if any. Thank you.
Abusia Enoch Esquire wono ene lawyer de Mahama Sedina Tamakloe awoche mu se ne de 10-year sentence a yede mama mi asebi ni case ne kra de sentence ni in absentia na chese no ni Ghana hampo na wo mo sentence no based on some allegations of stealing public funds, money laundering, violating public procurement laws, causing financial loss to the state. Any ade no wo mo ni se mama no se be evidences are according to court of appeal no evidences are wo mo de call yema wo mo di na sem between 2013 and 2017 no they couldn't prove beyond reasonable doubt enti maame ne ya discharge no enti sabre de na say 10 years na ye gobe 10 years no aye beans say wenya ne freedom enesa na eno na ye nya ne ntie say the attorney general Yera Dominic ayeni ejire mu say ehene ha debi woti ase a enye yie enti ene so wodi mri kantente ekopie mu Supreme Court anie say woko challenge appeals court judgment a omodi aba no say maame no ye omo discharge na say omo acquittal no of all charges no enya de a wobeti ase ne ate ase china enu nti no mprempren de wono nso de ne hyehyeye egu akwan mu na say attorney general na ni abre ewo case na ka yenim said this will be a good one because maame said Sedina it was under the current president John Dramani Mahama and the previous administration no and a level sa charges when you na edit and MPP4 and started sa case when the etia maami we entinka abani die mu die ebinumu ne say baby edro no anka yenyan man nka should even be a good news for the NDC say appeals court etimi acquitted and amwa discharge maami of all allegations leveled against her but attorney general so tremu say enya de a wobeti ase ne ati ase china enti woko contest verdict no the Supreme Court and pray wadin krata ababeto mountain so ye krata ni mu na say otimu say baby ansem ni kika edru no ebi chire mu attorney general person ye damage control ebi su chire mu this is the work that is expected of him. Now office of the attorney general and Ministry of Justice womu no de krata yaba attorney general to appeal decision of the Court of Appeal in public versus Sedina Tamakloe enti osha will say the attention of the Attorney General has been drawn to the decision of the Court of Appeal acquitting the former Chief Executive Officer of the Microfinance and Small Loans Center, MASLOC, Ms. Sedina Tamakloe, of all the charges brought against her. In today's Attorney General, Chiremudi Enye Wonunso, wako contested sa decision na appeals court making no. Enya dia wobeti asese appeals court ebetimi aka se obi a yatena nasem so ye di asem dia ya sentence in 10 years na fe dia mo bo asem negu. Na say precedents ben na mo sete enti Attorney General de wo se wo de asem no ekoda in Supreme Court. Enti wo shema say Ms. Tamakloe was charged with 78 counts of various offenses, including conspiracy to steal, stealing, conspiracy to cause financial loss to the state, causing financial loss to the state, causing loss to public property, improper payment of public funds, unauthorized commitment resulting in financial obligations to the government, money laundering, and breaches of Public Procurement Act. And 78 counts of various offenses. Quadru bebre na yede bo ma me Sedina at you Tamakloe. Ebi ne say wa cause financial loss to the state as or the ka and abre oman no and the other one is when you obi so na hyehye ho. And mind you, somewhere 2013 between 2013 and 2017 a ni case no nipa no oka ne ho no ye sentencing it to 5 years in prison. And as I talk to you say nipa ni on the order so ho enti wo sha ono wa serve so wa serve kra wa o ya serve wi anesa what you say enti e ba ne say and charges money laundering ya de breaches of Public Procurement Act any ade nyina ye de aboma me Sedina Tamakloe na feri ase no mo appeals court ka say ye nya evidence mu odu bi event ya nti nipa na ya prayer man the US for extraditing abedru Ghana no ye nya no nko. She was tried and convicted in absentia by High Court Financial Division 2, presided over by Her Ladyship Justice Efiase Wasari Bochi, JA, sitting as an additional High Court judge. Upon her conviction, she was sentenced to 10 years imprisonment. Into omuchiremwa ni case no omudi no oni ho. Enti no Her Ladyship Justice Efiase Wasari Bochi ene JA omutena nsem ne so didi ho an ene omutwa ma no 10 years flat so onkonkodi. Enti se nei appeals court ebeka che se Her Ladyship no adwuma no oye no wanye ni yi anasesen because we want to understand onipa ya asebe case ya ebu abono a yetimi edi asem ya mo pese mo che se no nipa no sebe evidence ni ade ba ye ni nyina no enye solid proof enough That is what eba out to say. Enti Attorney General ninkrata no na shemu no. We shall see the public opposed the appeal by filing written submissions contending that the appeal lacked merit and ought to be dismissed. Into muchema almost says so moko appeal ne kra no. The Republic omaino ana ene Sedina esi ani wo court no. The krata ko say sa appeal na omode ko no sebe nyina so papa bi anim enti omumbongu. Having received notice of the Court of Appeal's decision, the Attorney General has directed the Director of Public Prosecutions to immediately file a notice of appeal to the Supreme Court, together with an application for a stay of execution of the judgment pending the determination of the appeal. And to say no ye chire mu dia na say Dira Dominic Ayeni, Attorney General, was directed the Director of Public Prosecutions on fan krata enko Supreme Court omunso ko appeal appeals court verdict na omode abano eho na omun sign and pray for stay of execution na say appeals court no omo verdict say end discharging it should be on hold until the Supreme Court be determine say maame no acquitting and end discharging of all the allegations and as all the charges and I say Court of Appeal womo ayine amfa etu onko so en serve 10 years na ntisa dia na che say ensem de be bebre ukrom ha. Now say the Attorney General remains committed to the due process of law and is confident that the appeal before the Supreme Court will succeed. In the end say the Attorney General so na edwane akotoa appeals Supreme Court or has a Supreme Court ebetimi ama emrano aye adwuma said de say per ye ene ye pe ewukro due mu hanum say ebi just say way format ebi so just say they are very disappointed say NDC for under the administration sebe na nkomunim say they are being genuine and real but say mo be acquitted and discharged and the enche ye be hu say wuntimi so ye yi no e de free eye Nsawam yenkonsem foforo eso nanu ada